beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, so yeah, put on the jacket.
So tell me, sweetie. Hold this for me, please.
I will definitely tell you when the time you're done dressing. And then, look at me. You look like a CEO.
I know you're about to rattle my head with some sweet words. So what CEO do I look like?
You wanna know? You look like the CEO of my heart.
Oh.
Okay, let me get your breakfast. We'll go down for breakfast.
Okay.
Set?
Lead the way, sweetie.
Careful.
Thank you. The food is so good.
Thank you.
Well, sweetie, I have to go to work.
Yes, I know. Okay. Let me walk you to the car. Is that okay?
Of course.
What will happen to your lunch? Should I bring your lunch to you?
Or you can keep it in the shop. I'll come here and have it.
Okay. See you then. Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you too. Open the gate.
This is the first time my husband's phone is going off completely. It has never happened since ever we got married. God, please protect my husband from me. Amen.
Babe. Hey.
Sugar,
Hey,
thank God you're back.
yes, are you okay? You're sleeping on the couch.
Yes, I waited for you on the doorstep.
Mm.
You're welcome.
Thanks for waiting for me. There was traffic on my way home.
It's okay. I was worried, but I understand. Food is ready.
Oh, really?
Let's go and eat.
How sweet.
I was waiting for you.
Please. This is tasty.
Thank you. I'm happy you like it.
Of course, I love it. So, babe, why did you have to wait for me? To come back from work before you have dinner?
You're asking.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm not used to eating without you. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
I have to wait for you to come back before I can eat.
You know, I'm really so sorry. I should have been home earlier, but there was a lot of traffic.
It's fine, my love. What is important is that you came back to me. I called your phone earlier on, but it was switched off.
Oh yeah, I had a minor accident in the office today and my phone fell down.
Oh my God. Sorry about that.
It's okay, it's nothing.
So, where is the phone now?
It's in the car. I'll fix it tomorrow.
Sorry, baby.
It's alright. Thank you.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you. You know, I am really very glad that you're very, very happy in your marriage.
Baby girl, I'm not just happy.
Okay.
I am very, very, very happy.
I can see it. You don't need to tell me, like, I can see it. It's all over your body. You're glowing.
Thank you.
Hey. Okay. So, did you tell him about your ugly past?
No.
Why no? I thought we would agree that you would tell him after the wedding.
Maybe we agreed on that. But as it is right now, I don't think it's right to tell him. I can't.
And for how long do you intend lying up? Because, you know, it's a side that if he gets to find out by himself.
I understand. But I don't need anything to cut short my happiness right now in this marriage.
It's cutting short your
Baby
happiness.
girl, can we just change the topic?
Okay. Okay. That's fine.
So, tell me, how are you doing?
Oh, I am definitely fine. As you can see.
He's a guy.
Huh?
Bro, what's the problem? You look worried.
There's so much on my mind, bro.
Do you mind sharing?
I don't understand, but why is it that every time I try to make love to my wife at night, I just feel this guilt that comes over me. And then the sensation goes away. And this has been happening so frequently, I don't know what to do.
Is she aware about this?
No, she's not aware because every time it happens, I always just bring up some flimsy excuse and thankfully she believes me.
Bro, you need to, do something about this whole thing because these are things that break relationship, especially marriage. It's not good. I don't want to hear any news.
Do I tell him? No. No. My marriage and everything that I hold so sacred in my life will be destroyed. Telling him my ugly past is a mistake I cannot afford to make. What if he finds out by himself? Oh God. I don't know what to say. But in all, please, help me. Help me, God.
Ah, sweetheart, you are already set for work. Please, make yourself comfortable. Your food will soon be ready. Just rush to the kitchen and serve it. Is that okay?
Don't you think it would be better to give me children than give me food?
What did you just say?
You heard exactly what I said. I'm not hungry.
Did you just say that to me? Welcome back, sweetheart.
Won't it be better if you welcomed me with a child in your hands?
It's not my fault that I'm not conceiving.
It's not your fault. So whose fault is it? Huh? Because you know exactly what you did with your womb.
Jeez. You don't say that to me.
I don't say that to you. Why? Is it because the truth hurts? I can see it from the way you are getting riled up. But you know what? I don't care. You are going to give me a child and there's no two ways about it. Period.
When I look into the mirror, I don't know who's looking back at me. I feel like breaking to pieces. Oh yeah. I feel like someone standing at the middle of the road. Nowhere to go, yeah. Nowhere to go. Nowhere to go.
Babe. Babe.
What is it?
Please, I want us to talk.
You want us to talk now? Babe, come on. I had a long day at work. I need to sleep.
Babe, I promise I won't take long, okay?
Okay, what is it?
I would want us to go see a doctor tomorrow to know where the problem is coming from.
Babe, I already have it in mind that we're going to see doctor tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Here is your lab results, Mrs. Jide. And from what I have here, it is safe to say that the both of you are okay.
Okay. So, doctor, why is she not conceiving then?
I don't know. But let me ask, how many times do you guys do it in a week?
Sometimes we don't even do it in weeks.
That's ridiculous, and you guys are expecting to have children.
Doctor, what do you mean by that?
Okay, what I'm trying to say is, if you guys want to stand the chance at having children, you need to do it at least 4 times in every 7 days to even stand the chance.
What?
Okay, let me explain something to you. Active sperm cells have a lifespan of 3 days in a woman's fallopian tube, and 7 days make a week. So if you guys can do it at least 4 times every 7 days, you would end up leaving active sperm cells in her fallopian tube. So when her eggs are ready to fertilize, at least there will be sperm cells already waiting to get the eggs fertilized. And that's the only way she can actually get pregnant.
I see.
That means we've been the cause of our problems.
It is safe to say so, ma. Very correct. But that will be all for now, Mr. Jide. And Madam, please, I'd like to have a private session with you.
Okay, that's fine. I'll wait outside.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Madam, I actually did not want to discuss this in your husband's presence. Did you have an abortion some years back? You don't need to be scared.
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so the thing is, the abortion was not well done. And as a matter of fact, it is contributing to your inability to conceive children.
Oh my God.
But you don't need to worry, ma. I will go ahead and prescribe some drugs for you. So, madam, if you and your husband can do it at least 4 times in every 7 days, I bet you will stand a chance at having children. I am very positive.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Madam, one more thing. It is very important that I tell you to avoid all forms of hard labor the moment you notice you've conceived. I am very positive something good is going to happen very soon.
Thank you very much, Daddy.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Oh, please do have a great day, mother.
I feel like breaking to pieces. Oh yeah. I feel like someone standing at the middle of the road. Nowhere to go, yeah. Nowhere to go. Nowhere to go. Things turn out the worst, but we don't make it the right way. I've tried to accept what is before me. Memories can change the future, but the future cannot change the memories. Yeah. This life is
See, bro, to be sincere, the reason why your wife cannot give birth, it's your fault. From what you just said right now, it's your fault, man.
Bro, what is the meaning of this? What are you saying?
Well, God, let me tell you something, bro. See, you're not doing your job as a man. You need to go and apologize to your wife. Go back to the house, apologize to your wife, and start up something, you know.
I think you're taking this thing very lightly. It's not a laughing matter, bro. This is serious.
Bro, see, from the look of things, yeah, let me tell you, you have not been doing your job as a man. You have to go back to the house, meet your wife, apologize to her, and start up this thing. For your own good, oh, bro.
Bro, what is the meaning of this? What are you saying?
Let me tell you, if you try this one, it will work. Just buy her a gift. Apologize, take her to the room, start your man work. How for you? This will just end. Nama Ebina, don't worry.
Joe! Joe!
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I want to get something across the road. In case your boss asks, tell him you have not seen me today.
Why, ma?
Are you asking me that stupid question?
Sorry, ma. It's for security reason, but I will do exactly as you say.
Good. Open the gate.
Yes, ma'am. God, I beg, make this woman open me for trouble.
She made me breakfast. Well, let me go and catch her in the kitchen. She's not here. Maybe she's outside.
Where were you when Madame left this house?
Sir, I've been active since morning.
What do you mean you've been active? So where is she?
I don't know. Maybe She's inside one of the rooms because I've not seen her today.
Look, if I find out that she left this house while you were sleeping, you'll have me to deal with.
Sorry, sir. Where did Madam go that she doesn't want to get to me?
Hello? Rosella, why are you not picking your call? I've been calling for the past 10 minutes now.
It's Jide.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine. Your friend left her phone at home.
Did she tell you where she's going to?
Not at all. Please, are you free? I would like you to come over. I want to have a conversation with you.
Okay, is there any problem?
No, nothing at all. I just want us to talk.
Okay, I am coming.
Are you having any issues with her?
Issues? No. And it's unlike her to leave the house without telling me.
Where might she have gone to?
I don't know. I have no idea at all.
Maybe she went to my house.
Look, my issue is not where she is. My issue is that she left this house without telling me. And the worst part is she left her phones in the house, so I can't even reach her.
That's exactly where I'm worried. You know what, Chide? Just be calm. Let's just pray for a safe return.
Look, I hope when she gets back, she has a very, very good explanation about all this.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Pardon my manners. Can I maybe offer you something to drink?
No, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine.
For you, I've searched everywhere.
I've been around.
What do you mean you've been around? I've called all your friends, I've called all my friends, I've searched everywhere. I've not been able to find you.
Then you just search well. Excuse me.
Did she just walk out on me? Babe, why are you crying? Are you okay?
Please, I want to be left alone.
Look, babe, I'll have to just conclude the fact that you don't want to tell me what is wrong with you. Can you at least just tell me what is going on?
Just the way you're keeping things to yourself too. You don't also want to tell me.
Keeping things to myself, babe, come on. I tell you everything.
Like I said, I want to be left alone.
Babe, please, you can't be like this now. If there's anything that I've done, just tell me so that at least I can apologize for it.
I said I want to be left alone. Leave me alone. Let me be.
Thank God she finally came back.
Yes, thank God. But the issue here is that I feel she has come back as a stranger.
What do you mean?
I mean, she likes to keep to herself now. She does everything alone. That includes eating.
Did you try to find out why the change in her attitude?
Well, yes, I did ask her if everything was okay, and she only said she just wants to be left alone.
This is serious. Where is she?
She's upstairs in her room.
Okay. Can I go see her?
Of course.
Alright. Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Madam, what's up?
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yeah.
I guess he reported me to you.
Marcella, what's your problem? What is going on? Why are you trying so hard to destroy your beautiful home?
Franca, I am not trying to destroy a home that I have built. Okay. That home is already destroyed.
What do you mean? The home is already destroyed.
Will you believe it when I tell you that Jide is that beast? That beast I have been looking for all this while. That evil man! That idiot! That I have been searching for all this while. Will you believe?
Wait, I don't understand. I am lost.
He will so dearly pay for it! He will pay with his life!
Chidi. How? Wait, I'm sorry. Wait. Chidi.
Can you just tell me what my offense is so I can apologize? How long are we going to continue to do this?
As long as it will take.
Why don't you just tell me what I've done so that I can apologize?
If you claim not to know what you have done, then so be it. I won't be the one to tell you what you have done wrong. Excuse me.
Come on, please. Can we talk about this?
Can you just excuse me?
Please. I honestly don't know what I've done. Or is there something I'm missing?
When I look into the mirror, I don't know who's looking back at me. I feel like breaking to pieces. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Look at that. Joe!
Standing at the middle of the road.
Ramos is.
How far now?
Yeah, this is how we find out stuff today.
What happened now?
Thank God.
You done the fresh, you go to the apple.
Thank God.
Oh, God.
Thank God.
How far now? What's up? What's the problem? You even sounded the water on the phone. What's up?
Look, bro, Rosella is driving me crazy.
What did she do?
I know that there's something eating her up inside, but she's refusing to tell me.
And what could that be?
I don't know. But whatever it is, she's not talking about it.
This is serious.
Oh. Look, bro, out of everybody that she knows, she seems to be closer to you. Can you please do me a favor and help me speak to her? Maybe she can open up to you and tell you what the problem is.
That's no problem. Where is she?
She's in the kitchen.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Let me go talk to her.
We all have unspeakable secrets, yeah. Regrets, dreams, and unforgettable love. If not for one thing, I would have walked, took the struggles. Or I wish my book of life was written a pencil. Oh yeah. There are few pages I would like to erase. Oh, no, 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 no.
Hi, Rose.
Hi, Moses.
Yeah, I can see you're making some delicacy. I want us to talk about something, but I don't know if it's convenient for us to talk here.
Sure, we can talk.
It's about your husband, my friend. You know, there's some things he was trying to tell me about your attitude towards him these days.
You did?
Yeah. I just want to know what the problem is, you know.
Moses, I think you should ask your friend what the problem is, because I believe he knows what the problem is. Unless if he is pretending not to know what the problem is.
You see, but he's just trying to, you know, get to know some...
Moses, please, like I said, why don't you just ask your friend what the problem is? Because he knows.
Okay, alright, continue with your meal.
Okay, thank you very much.
Alright.
Stop reporting me to every Dick and Harry. That will not save you. I advise you deal with it yourself. Stop it.
What do you mean that will not save me? What are you talking about?
I know you're going to read meaning into it. And right now, I don't care. Jide, you are a man. Deal with your problem yourself. Stop reporting me to people. Deal with your family problem yourself. You created it, so deal with it.
What do you mean that I created this problem? What do you mean?
You heard me. You created it yourself. Nobody assisted you. Deal with it like a man that you are.
Excuse me. Babe, can you at least tell me what it is? Every day I'm being blamed for something I know nothing about. From chapters to episodes, and I don't know what she's talking about.
Oh, when I look into the mirror, I don't know who's looking back at me. I feel like breaking to pieces. Oh, yeah. I feel like someone standing at the middle of the road. Nowhere to go, yeah. Nowhere to go.
Yes,
Nowhere to go.
Come
Things turn
in.
out the worst when we don't make it the right way. I've tried to accept what is before me. Memories can change the future, but the future cannot change the memories. Yeah. This life is something.
I just want to be here for a while to just cool off my head.
I don't understand.
Franca, what is difficult to understand in what I just said?
Is your husband aware of this?
Today is the last person I want to talk to or see right now.
We all have unspeakable secret, yeah. Regrets, dreams, and unforgettable love. If not for one thing, I would have walked out of the struggles. But I wish my book of life was written in pencil. Oh yeah. There are a few pages I would like to erase. Oh no. No.
I am gone for now. Don't bother looking for me.
Yeah.
Why would my wife talk to me like this? What is really going on? What have I done to deserve this?
Rosella, what is wrong with you? What are you doing? What has come over you?
Franca, I know what I'm doing. Yes. But I won't be need to let the cat out of the bag yet.
Okay. At this point, is it that you tell me or I'll go out there and call Jide to come and drag you? What has come over you?
Franca, nothing has come over me.
Okay.
I know you won't understand this whole thing. You won't.
You just need to let me understand. Let me in. You're my friend, for crying out loud. I am not a stranger to you.
Okay. You want to know what is wrong with me?
Yes, I want to know.
I will tell you.
I am listening.
Do you remember I I told you that Jide is the beast that I have been looking for.
You said that to me, but you didn't explain in details.
I'm going to give you the details now. So when I said, I'm going to drag you, I said,
What is he?
I'm telling you. Oh my God. A lot of time here. There.
What kind of mail is he sending that is making him smile pleasantly? I don't think this is just an email message.
At that point, I found out he was not actually going through his mail or sending any mail to anybody.
Priscilla, don't tell me you go through his phone out of curiosity.
Yes, I did.
Why would you do that? You don't go through a man's phone without his consent.
Jide and I does not keep anything from each other, including our phones. He has my password as well as I have his.
Okay.
Sweetie. Babe. Hey.
Okay, so who was he discussing with and what were they discussing?
You wouldn't believe it.
Can you just tell me this thing and allow me battle with believing it or not? Okay?
I will have to say this with my mouth.
Oh my God.
Priscilla. Now you will understand me better when I say that Jide is that beast that I have been looking for.
He's not just the beast you've been looking for. You've been living under the same roof with him as your husband.
You cannot feel my anger and pain, right?
is not happening. This is not right.
Unfortunately, it is happening. It's not a movie.
Bro, for now. What's up? What's the problem?
Look, my man, I'm not fine at all.
What happened?
I've been searching for my wife ever since she left. And I cannot seem to find her.
Have you tried calling on phone?
I've called her phones, but they are switched off.
This is serious. Is there anywhere you have in mind she could be?
How can you be asking me this kind of question? I told you that I've searched everywhere. And you're asking me, is there anywhere I know she can be? I don't know.
Relax. See, I think there's somewhere she could be. Yes.
Do you know where she is?
Her friend, Franca's house.
How come I never thought of that?
You see? I think we should go there right now. Let's go.
Rosella. I think you need to forget the ugly past and reunite with your husband.
Never.
Come on, Rosella. You have to. Babes, you've invested a lot in this marriage and you won't just throw everything away like that. Let the past remain the past. Franca, do you know that singular act cost me my relationship with Uche? That singular act is why I'm in the condition I am today. Not being able to have a child of my own. Do you know? Babes, I know all of this. Well, let's just say, maybe it's not God's will that you and Uche will end up as husband and wife.
Please, come off it. How can you even say that?
But it is what it is. Rosella, remember the sacrifices you've made just so the both of you can be together. The secret and open fights, the battles, everything you've done for your marriage to work. Are you going to just trash everything like that? Just like that?
The minute you get in this house, you act like a gentleman. Keep all your anger down.
Alright, sir.
Okay. Now, let me tutor you. Your wife might be angry and she might want to get to your nerves, you understand? You have to calm down. Your purpose of coming here is to take your wife back home and make sure you guys settle this thing amicably.
I understand.
Good. And one more thing. Just be calm. Even if she says anything to you, be calm. Are we good?
Good. Let's go.
Who is there?
PJ.
Oh yeah. What you mean?
Hi. This one you guys came to my house. Hope all is well.
I wish I can say that. Your friend left the house last night and she didn't come back. So I've been everywhere looking for her. It's the reason why I'm here. Maybe to see if she came to your place.
Really? Wait, do you mean to say Priscilla didn't spend the night in your house and she didn't travel?
Exactly. She didn't travel and she didn't come back. Do you know of any other friends that maybe she's close to she must have gone to see?
No, it's just me. It's just me.
So you mean she's not here?
As you can see, she's not here.
Okay, in case she comes here or maybe if you hear anything, please do let me know.
Sure, I will. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. I will. I'll try and call her too. Rosella. They've gone.
What's good?
My wife is in that house.
How do you mean your wife is in the house?
Come on, she's my wife. I know exactly what she smells like. And the minute we entered that house, I could smell her perfume all over the place. So I'm telling you definitely that she's in that house.
So you're trying to tell me that Franca lied to us?
100%. She was lying.
Then let's go back there and check for her. Let's go.
You know, even if I like that approach, you are the one that asked me to be a gentleman, right?
I did.
Okay, so let's go then.
No. Let's go.
Let's go.
What did he say? They want you to come back home. And you have to go back home. I'm not going anywhere. You know what? Priscilla, all of this thing is becoming a drama to me and I don't get it. Franca, I understand you care so much about me. Yes, I understand you want the best for me. I understand all that. Okay. But please, I want to deal with this myself. Just clear off. Just leave it for me. Please. Your problem is also my problem. So stop talking to me like I am a stranger. You know what? I will just give you 2 days to sort all of this thing. And if in 2 days' time you've not decided what you want to do, I will have to invite your husband here so that I will come and drag you out of this place since you don't want to go back. Franca, I can't do that. Franca, I can't just do that.
Jide, I understand your pain. I understand how you feel right now. But man, you got to let some things go, you understand? See, I know you love this woman so much. But you have to calm down. Now man you be, come on. Don't do it like this.
We all have unspeakable secret, yeah. Regrets, dreams, and unforgettable love. If not for one thing, I would have walked out of the struggles. But I wish my book of life was written in pencil. Oh yeah. There are a few pages I would like to erase. Oh no 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 no.
I'm happy you're back.
No 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 no.
I missed you.
Do not touch me.
Look, don't tell me that you're still upset.
Of course I am. I am angry with you and I'm not gonna stop.
I've been asking you to tell me what my offense is, but you haven't told me. What did I do?
He's asking. What did he do?
I mean, I would like to know.
Of course I will tell you. Because that is why I came.
Amazing. I'm all ears.
Girls, it's my birthday and my guy has promised to celebrate it for me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
And he also said we are traveling abroad after the birthday.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
I have no reason to lie to you, girlfriend. Besides, Emmanuel is a man of his word.
Oh, wait. So, that means you'll be leaving us in this country soon.
Yes, I'll be leaving you guys in this country.
Wow.
Yeah, but then, the reason why I called for this meeting is that I want to have a birthday to remember. So, I want you girls to appear beautiful, elegant. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
That means we are taking it to the bank. Definitely. You have nothing to worry about.
Everything we need on that day has been paid for. Everything has been paid for. You have nothing to worry.
So we're just bringing ourselves to come and marry with you.
Exactly.
No gift for you.
No what? Don't try me. Two of you don't even try me.
Okay. I can't just wait. Let's just start planning. What's the color? What do you intend doing?
It's gonna be all white party.
Oh,
all white.
Wow. So fine.
Wow.
Can you imagine the picture?
Oh, yes. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you, my love. Thank you.
Honey, Olive's birthday is in 2 days. I would want us to attend together.
Oh, that would be lovely. But you forgot I told you I'm traveling and I can't make it.
It's true. How come? That means you're not going to be around.
No, I won't. I won't be around. I told you I have a business trip to catch. It's not how productive it is.
How am I going to be on that birthday without you? I'm going to be alone. How do I cope?
I understand that. No, I don't think you're right. But you have Franca is there. Olive is there. Some other people are there. There are people you can mingle with.
They can't give me the vibes that you give me if you're around.
I know. They cannot be me. But at least you need to adjust when you are with other people. You need to adjust just in case tomorrow. No, I understand. You know what will happen? I will send you some money to get some clothes, some jewelry, some things that will make you look more beautiful, more gorgeous.
I'm gonna miss you.
I know, like you said, I know, but it's a business trip. Definitely, I know you're going to miss me, but then don't miss me that much. You have your friends around, they're going to take care of you, they're going to make you look okay. And I'll be calling from time to time to know exactly how you feel. And like I said, the last time we discussed, I told you I'll be meeting one lady as I'm traveling right now. I'll see her, one Ifieze. I have a business proposal with her. That this transaction we did that didn't sell through, so I want to meet her. Why I'm telling you this so that you won't think I want to do something stupid as I'm going.
Okay, is the one you're saying that on a YouTube channel?
Yes. You remember the film we were watching the other day on that channel? You said this film is so sweet. I said
Yes.
it's from our channel. That should be If He Is a Nolly TV.
Oh, okay. I will just let me just look at it and subscribe. I think call it again.
If He Is a Nolly TV. Yes.
Okay.
What I'm going to do when I come back is to get you provide some money for you to start up your own production, because you remember the time I told you about starting a movie. You said reluctantly, you said I said what you were saying then, you want to act, but you you can't be acting, you can be producing. There is money in it, there is fun in it, and then you can still use that medium to pass information.
Yes, to make impact.
Yes,
that's true. Okay, no problem. So, safe trip.
Thank you, my dear.
I love you.
I love you too. Let me see if I can. Let me drop you home.
Okay.
All right.
You don't look good. What is it?
Usha is not going to be around on your birthday.
Why?
Sister is going for his business trip tomorrow.
It's business now, babe. Besides, money first.
I'm going to miss him. Like, I'm going to be alone that day.
Don't worry. I'll make you not to miss him. Don't worry. Don't be a problem for you.
How are you going to do that?
Don't trust me. Guys are coming. I will introduce you to someone that will make you have fun on that day.
What are you saying? You know I'm not interested in those kind of things.
Come on, it's not what you think. No, it's not what you think. Trust me. Yeah, trust me. You have fun. You don't trust me.
Are you just trying to patronize me?
No, it's me. Trust me. And it's my birthday. So, you have nothing to worry about. You'll be fine that day.
If you say so.
Yes. I say
Thank
so.
you.
So, cheer up.
So, I'm about to toast and let's cut the cake for the celebrant. In case you don't know, we are here for our own best good baby girl. The baddest in town. The best girl in town. Baby girl, we want to come and cut the cake and give us permission to lead the party on, you know. Let's go. Alright guys, so when we cut this cake and make a toast, you just give me your best, you know, the vibe. And we're going to cut this cake with the spelling of Jesus. So wherever you are, just shout Jesus as loud as you can. Okay? Yeah. Celebrant, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Can I please just school your name? Okay. Alright, good. Let's spell Jesus. Somebody give me B. J.
J.
Another E.
E.
With assumptions S.
S.
Oh my God, where's the U?
U.
Can I get the loudest S? Let's go. Come on.
Yeah.
BJ, I want to hear the band and song. Let's go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you guys for coming.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Many more years to you. And more years to you. Many
Babe. Hey, babe, what's up?
You're not going to work today?
My leave started today now.
Oh, that's true. That means you're going to rest like...
You can't say that again.
Babe, I was meaning to ask.
Okay.
That guy, the guy I was with on Olive's birthday.
Oh, okay.
Do you know him? Do you know his name?
No, I don't know him. I've not met him before. As a matter of fact, that day was the first time I'm seeing him. And I don't even know his name. Oh, wait. Does it mean he didn't tell you his name?
I didn't ask.
But you guys were talking like you've known each other for decades.
No. I don't even know his name. You know, everything happened so fast, so I didn't get to ask.
Wow.
But it's fine. I was thinking probably you have seen him before, you know his name or something.
I don't know him.
Okay.
Do you mean to tell me that you were the lady I met that night?
I am not just the lady you met that night. I am the lady you raped. Got her pregnant. Destroyed her relationship with the love of her life. I am that lady you destroyed. That singular act of yours cost me my 5 years relationship.
Look, I didn't know you were going to tell this to your boyfriend.
Well, I did.
Why would you tell him such stories?
Because I felt guilty of my actions. Coupled with the pregnancy that your rape cost me.
You mean to tell me that you got pregnant because of my actions that night?
Yes. Jesus. Jesus. Oh my God. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant too. God. God, what do I tell you to, oh God? Oh, what do I do now? Who is this boy? Who is this boy? Jeez. I'm good. Jesus.
hope she will kill me. Oh, do I tell him? Oh, who is this boy? Who is this boy? Who is this boy? Oh my God.
Rosella. Babes, are you okay? You've been withdrawn since today. Are you okay?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
You're fine. And you're like this. What is the problem?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh, Rose, you know you can always talk to me. What is it?
I don't even know how to say it because I'm so ashamed of myself.
No. Why would you say that? Are we not friends? You know you can always tell me anything. No matter what it is, we'll definitely find a way around it.
Okay. I'll tell you.
Okay.
I don't even know how to start. I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? How? For who?
Babe, I don't even know his name. I don't...
Wait. Are you trying to say Uche is not responsible for the pregnancy?
What are you saying? If Uche is responsible, will I be feeling this way?
Okay, so who then is responsible?
The guy. The guy with me on Olive's birthday.
What do you intend doing?
I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Rosella, let me just tell you something. This is not the time to start crying. Eh? You just need to take it out. Yes, you need to take it out to save your relationship with Uche. Take it out. That's the only solution. I'm sorry.
So,
What's up, Pap? Are you okay?
I've been trying to reach Olivia, but her number is not connecting.
Oh, I didn't tell you.
Tell me what?
Olive already traveled out to Germany with her man now.
It's a lie. She meant it.
Yes, no, I thought she told us about it.
Oh my God.
What happened?
I'm finished.
Why are you calling her? What happened?
You know, it was Olivia that connected me and that guy on her birthday. Okay. I was thinking I can reach the guy through her.
She already traveled out and her WhatsApp number is not connecting too. So what do you intend doing?
I don't know, I'm confused right now. She was my last option.
See, I think you should just go to the hospital and run a proper pregnancy test. Sometimes this self-pregnancy test is not always accurate.
Right?
Yes. You might be lucky. It might be negative. You never can tell.
Okay. I'll just do that right now. I just pray it's negative.
It will be.
Let's just try our luck. Just...
I have to go now.
Yeah, just one. Rosella, I think you should consider taking it out.
I think that is my only option right now. Oh. I have to tell Usha about it first.
You will do what? Why would you do that?
Frank, I think I have betrayed Usha enough. Yes. Not telling him means me betraying him more.
And that would ruin your 5 years relationship with him.
I know. I know it will cost me a lot. Wow. I will just have to tell him.
You don't have to do that. It will be devastating.
Babe. Okay, consider if he finds us tomorrow from somewhere, from anywhere. He won't believe me again. He won't trust me. Don't you get?
Rosella, I promise you, this will be between us. No one is going to hear about this. You don't have to tell him. I promise.
My mind is made up. I will tell him.
You really want to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
You don't seem happy seeing me. What is the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
You don't look fine. Why are you moody, crying, dropping? You need to open up to me. What is the problem? You should be happy.
I don't even know where to start.
What is it that you cannot tell me? You don't know how to tell me. Whatever it is, put yourself together and let me know what it is. We can sort things out.
I'm trying. Oh, I don't even know how to start. I'm just ashamed of myself saying it.
In fact, you are making me more perplexed, more disturbed, more disdain. Tell me what it is. I don't know. What is all this? I've not been around. I just came back to... And then you are giving me this attitude.
Okay. I will tell you.
Go on.
I'm pregnant.
Wow. That's a good news. Is that why you are finding it difficult to say something? It calls for celebration. We don't need to... See what will happen, eh? By weekend, I will take you to my people who will finalize this marriage thing and then you're moving with me.
No. No.
What do you mean by no? I don't understand. What is no? You should be happy now. So why are you telling me no?
You are not responsible. You're not responsible to my pregnancy.
I don't get that. Are you mama? That I'm not responsible. How do you mean that I'm not responsible? I left you few times ago and I can't remember having any man around you or having anybody around you. I know the kind of woman I have, and then you're telling me I'm not responsible. Did you possibly open your leg widely to another person? I don't understand. Put me through.
Maybe it was a mistake I wished never to make, but it happened. It wasn't deliberate. It wasn't deliberate. Please.
So it was a mistake. Something happened.
Yeah, mistake. What do you mean by mistake? Something happened. I never mistake in a pregnancy. Do you do mistake in pregnancy? Something that you intentionally did. If a it doesn't tell me what is happening. Just make me understand it's a joke. You just want to prank me because I just came back.
It's even the problem. I don't even know who he is. I don't even know his name. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know how to start telling this story. It was never intentional.
Wait. For real, are you pregnant? Are you pregnant for real?
Please,
don't make that mistake of touching me, let alone hurt. That honey is nonsense to me. I don't understand where that one is coming from. You open your leg to somebody else and then you're calling me honey. I don't know the relationship between honey and pregnancy for another person. What is going on before I give you Anthony Joshua's boxing right now? If you don't tell me what is going on. My name is blessed. Let me tell you. Let me make it very clear to you. I have done everything practically for you. I have given you all that you needed in life. There is nothing a man can do to please a woman. There is nothing you are lacking. I am shamefully assuming you will your best. Why? You're a man. All you can do is not intentional. That's what you understand. You know what you understand. I'll give you the job and you come. You don't stick that. I'll give you the job. If you come close to me, I'll run you down. Am I going to the prostate now? Come on, off of us, son.
I knew it was going to get to this. That was why I told you not to tell him.
Frank just left me. He just left me. I lost him already.
But it is not the end of the world for you. Just wipe your tears.
No! It is the end of the world for me! You know how Jay is to me! He meant the whole world!
I know.
Like, he is my everything!
I know.
He's even the air that I breathe!
I know. But at this point, you need to understand that he's no longer the air that you breathe.
Raka, please. You need to talk to Uche for me, please. Tell him I love him. Tell him it was never deliberate.
I will.
I didn't just mean to betray him. It happened.
Can you just calm down? I'll talk to him. I promise.
I don't want to lose him.
You just need to put yourself together. I'm so sorry. Listen, I'm sorry. Sorry. You'll be fine, I promise.
I tried all I could to rebuild my relationship with Uche. But all to no avail. Jide, I cursed the day I met you! I cursed that day that you put me in this condition! I cursed that day that you raped me and destroyed me! I cursed that single day that you destroyed my womb!
Look, I'm sorry.
Did I hear you say you're sorry? Did you just open your mouth right before me to tell me you are sorry? I begged you to stop! I begged you to stop and you refused! You had me so strong!
I wish I could take back everything that I've done to you. This is why I say that I'm sorry. I know that you begged me. And you told me to stop. But these were the actions of a dying man. I was told that I was going to die.
What are you even saying? What are you talking about? Can you hear yourself? Like, are you making any sense right now?
Mr. Judy, I hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long.
Not at all, doctor.
Okay, good. This is your lab results.
Okay. So, what does the lab result say?
Sadly, Mr. Judy, you have a failed kidney, and that is the reason for your constant headache and severe back pains.
Doctor, I don't understand this. But I'm very fit and strong.
Okay, Mr. Judy, the thing is, kidney problems do not show severe symptoms, and that is why we always advise people to go for routine checkups to make sure they are okay.
Okay, doctor, so what's the way forward?
Unfortunately, Mr. Judy, there's no way forward. The truth is, your lifespan has been reduced and you have some days to live, sir. I'm really sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
But what's this? No, I don't understand. What's this?
The doctor said I have limited time to live.
I don't understand.
He says my kidney issues have progressed.
Kidney issue. Looking at you, you look so healthy. So how do you mean kidney issue?
That was the same question I asked him.
And then what did he say?
He said most times people with kidney issues don't
show any signs.
He's your doctor, but he does not have the right to tell you when you will live or when you will die. So bro, chill up. Don't let this thing weigh you down, okay?
You don't get it, do you? You don't understand.
I understand. Bro, he's your doctor. Yes, he treats you from everything and all that, but he does not have the right to tell you when you will die or when you will live. Bro, there's one new joint in town. I would like us to go there, so we'll just take maybe 1 or 2 bottles, you know, and maybe all those things that is in your head will just go off. Come on, don't let this thing just keep you one place.
Do I look like I'm in the mood to drink? Honestly.
I'm going to advise you. Don't let what the doctor said weigh you down, okay? Okay, let's look at it this way. What if it's a mistake? No, what if this is all a mistake? What happened?
I wish that was true, but it's not a mistake. I mean, come on, bro. You're actually holding it. The facts are there.
This is just a paper. It's a paperwork. He is your doctor, but he does not have the right to tell you when you will live or when you will die. So bro, chill up. Don't let this thing weigh you down, okay?
You don't get it, do you? You don't understand.
I understand. Bro, he's your doctor. Yes, he treats you from everything and all that, but he does not have the right to tell you when you will die or when you will live.
I think this birthday invitation is a good idea. I think this is a sign. Maybe it's the last time I'll ever get to have fun. I'll probably go there, look for a loose girl, maybe a one-night stand. Get her pregnant so at least she could have my child. I could have someone here that would bear my name. Maybe this is my last chance.
I'm going to advise you. Don't let what the doctor said weigh you down, okay? Okay, let's look at it this way. What if it's a mistake? Jide, don't tell me you're still thinking about what the doctor said.
Of course I'm still thinking about what the doctor said. Can't you see that I'm worried?
Why are you doing this to yourself? Why do you want to use your hand to kill yourself?
You must think this is easy, bro. Every single day I try to block out these thoughts from my head. But the thought of death keeps coming to me daily.
Because you gave the death thought room. If you do, see, you can actually shut this door yourself. Guy, try. Just close this door and all these things will stop.
Then allow me to shut the door in the best way that I can.
Guy, stop this thing you're doing to yourself. You need to stop this thing. Man, stop this.
Leave my class alone. I said I want to be alone.
Jide has not eaten his food. Jide!
I thought I told you that I wanted to be left alone.
Yeah, you said so.
So what are you doing here?
I went to the dining room and your food is still there, so I came and talked to you. Why haven't you eaten your food?
Of what importance is that food to me when you know I am dying?
You're not going to die. And I want you to know this now. Don't let what the doctor said to you get to your head. You're not going to die.
Please spare me your inspirational speech. I'm the one that is wearing the shoes here. I know exactly where it hurts.
I'm going to advise you again. Try to take off this dead thing in your head off. Because if you don't, I promise you it's going to be worse than what the doctor said to you. Take these things off your head, bro. You're not going to die.
You know, I see what you're trying to do here. And to be honest, Moses, I think you're a good friend. Thank you.
So I'm just letting you again. Like I said, you're not going to die and nothing's going to happen to you. We're going to enjoy this life together. You know, as a friend, as a bro, okay? You can get this into your head. Just come on. You better go and eat that food on the dining, bro, because you're not going to die.
I was depressed and miserable to the point where I wanted to end it all and take my life. And amidst all the conflict and chaos, I got an invitation for the birthday.
Good morning, Jide.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Could have been better, but I'm fine.
You don't look good. What's the matter?
Well, I guess it's just work stress. Nothing serious.
Take it easy on yourself, bro. Okay?
I will. So, this one that you came to visit me, am I safe?
Come on. You're safe with me.
Okay.
Yeah. My birthday is by the corner. And I want you to attend.
Okay, that's fine, but you could have just sent a message or something.
I'll still do that. I came to see a friend around the neighborhood. And I thought of, breezing in and tell you about it.
Okay, that's wonderful. I guess I'll attend then.
That's what I want to hear. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need to take my leave now.
Okay. Thanks for stopping by.
You're welcome. And be good, okay?
I will. Bye.
But among all the girls, all the girls in that birthday party, trust me, among everybody, of all the girls, Jide, you choose to destroy me. You choose to destroy my life. You chose to put me in the condition that I am today.
As soon as I walked into that place, you were the most attractive person that I've ever seen. But not just because of that. I had a very strong connection with you. And this was why I told Olive that she should help me speak to you.
Okay. From your story, you were told that you were gonna die. Right?
Yes.
Then, what are you doing alive?
Everything happened like a movie. On my way home after the birthday, I got a call from the doctor. Hello? Doctor? I'm very well, thank you. Is everything okay? Alright, no problem. I will start heading to the hospital.
Thank you for coming within the short notice, Mr. Jide.
Thank you, doctor.
Actually, I want to start by apologizing to you on behalf of the hospital management.
Doctor, why are you apologizing to me?
There was a mistake in your lab results.
A mistake in my lab results? Doctor, what are you trying to say in plain English?
What I'm trying to say, Mr. Jide, is the lab result we gave to you is not your own. It actually belongs to a kidney failure patient.
Wait. Doctor, are you trying to tell me that I don't have any kidney failure?
Mr. Jide, the lab technician that conducted the test on you actually placed your results in a kidney patient's file and brought it to me, and that's exactly how I delivered it to you, Mr. Jide. Without...
Doctor, what exactly are you trying to say? What are you trying to tell me?
What I'm saying, sir, is you do not have kidney failure. And as a matter of fact, this is your lab result, and it says here that you have malaria and typhoid.
Doctor, Can you look me in the eye and tell me that I don't have any kidney failure?
You can see for yourself, Mr. Jide. You don't have any kidney failures, and again, I am really sorry for the whole inconveniences.
Doctor, this is good news.
I know, and I am happier than you, sir.
No, you don't have to. Doctor, you're a good man. You're a good man, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You're a good man. Thank you, doctor.
Thank God. Thank God. Jeez.
Yo, this is huge. This is huge, my G.
What's up, my nigga? Yo. Wait, what's the problem? You're so excited on the phone. Like, if guys, see now, never even changed. What's up?
Wait. I just came back from the hospital where they told me the good news. Bro, the doctor just said that I don't have any kidney issues. Zero kidney issues, my G!
Guys, stop it. Come back again. Rephrase yourself. What do you mean by you don't?
I will rephrase, bro. The minute I left Olivia's birthday, I was just heading home. Next thing, I got a phone call from the hospital and it was like, he needed to see me. It's important. I said, okay, let me go. On getting there, face to face with the doctor, I'm like, doctor, what's going on? I said, you don't have any kidney issues. Bro, are you listening to what I'm saying? He said it was a mistake.
It was a mistake?
Yes.
You see my problem? You said the doctor said it was a mistake. Guy, we're going to sue these people.
No, we're going to sue them. No. You're missing this. I'm in a happy mood right now. What's important is I'm not going to die. Do you understand? My G. And I thank you for it, man, because it was your words, man. You spoke to me. You told me I will not die. You gave me inspirational words, bro. It saved my life. You don't understand, my G. You don't get me.
You see, if I don't motivate you, all these things, guys, supposed to call me a small girl.
I'm free and tight. Let's go, guy. See, bro, you don't get me. I was in a place where I almost committed suicide, my G.
I don't understand.
I wanted to end it all, but your words just somehow just kept talking to me and told me no, and here I am today.
You know, you're not going to sue them. We're going to have fun. You know the kind of thing now, guy.
Oh, my new friend, let's go and drink now. Why are we still here now? Let's go and drink. Let's go. Look, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for my actions. I know that there is nothing I can say now that will justify what I have done. Because rape is a terrible thing and it's unjustifiable. This is why I'm begging you and I'm saying please. If you can find it in your hearts to forgive me, I will do anything to make this right. Please.
Hey. I just want to say that I'm sorry.
I forgive you. Yes.
Babe, come on, please don't play with me like that. Are you sure you forgive me from your heart?
From my heart of hearts, I forgive you, my love.
That makes me happy. Thank you.
Hey. Jide, you're a good man. You mean the world to me. And I love you so much. Most importantly, you're my husband. So, definitely I must forgive you.
Thank you for forgiving me. And you are my amazing wife. And I love you.
I love you so much.
But I have a question to ask.
Okay.
How did you know about the past?
I saw your chat with Moses, your friend, where you were telling him on how you still feel about the girl you raped on Olive's birthday.
I see.
You also said that you regret ever doing that and wish it never happened.
Yeah.
Sweetheart, I love you so much.
And I love you. Thank you for forgiving me. It means everything to me. And I promise to love you forever.
I will always love you. Forever. Thank you.
No, thank you.
For being my husband.
And for being my amazing wife.
I don't know who's looking back at me.